everyone! Welcome to Up English 101, the podcast that makes learning English fun, easy, and exciting. I'm Sue.
And hi, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Sue?
I'm good, Jake. And you?
I'm pretty good, Sue. I feel so excited about our podcast today, Sue. What is it going to be?
All right, Jake. Today we're talking about something really special, something that can change your whole life.
Oh, Sue, I'm curious about that.
Okay, Jake, we're talking about why learning English can change your life. English actually helps us open doors, get new jobs, travel, meet new friends, and be confident.
Wow, Sue. We'll probably share some useful English phrases to help you talk about learning English and your goals, too. Am I right, Sue?
Yeah, it is, Jake. So grab your notebook, relax, and let's have some fun learning together.
And wait, thanks for supporting our channel, Up English 101. Your support means a lot to us. We hope you, our listeners, enjoy our podcast. And if you find it important, please subscribe, like, and share so that your friends who want to learn English can see it better, and it helps our channel grow.
We really hope you enjoy our podcast and share to your friends and family. All right, Jake, let's dive in. Let's start with my first phrase. English is a global language. It means people all around the world speak it. Example, I learn English because it's a global language.
English is a global language. That's so true, Sue. You can travel almost anywhere and find someone who speaks English easily. Yes, really. My next phrase is going to be English connects people. Example, I can make friends from other countries because English connects people.
English connects people. I love that. English helps us meet people from different cultures, online, and in real life. That's one of the ways to get to know people, Jake. Here's another one. Speak the world's language. It's like saying English helps you talk to the world.
Speak the world's language. Right. That sounds powerful. Example, is it correct if I say, when I speak English, I feel like I can speak the world's language?
Yes, exactly, Jake. I hope our listeners would say this sentence too.
Now, my next phrase is English opens doors. It means English gives you more chances in life, jobs, education, and you know, Sue, I feel like it opens my eyes to see the real world. Example, learning English opened doors for my career.
English opens doors. That's a nice one. I think learning English really opens doors to your dreams. You actually have to know English, Jake, because it can be a key to your dream job. My next phrase is English is a key to success. Example, if you want to study abroad, English is a key to success.
English is a key to success. Oh, wow, Sue. I like that. It's true in so many countries. We can see so many people succeeded in their dream because of English. Another English phrase is, improve your English, improve your life. Example, when I improved my English, I got a better job.
Improve your English, improve your life. Wow, Jake, that's motivational. Now I try to remember this phrase so I can motivate myself. And it reminds me. My next one is, English gives you confidence. Example, I feel more confident when I speak English in front of people.
English gives you confidence. You are right, Sue. Confidence makes everything easier. Work, school, and meeting people. But we also have to practice so that our confidence will last forever. So, what is your next phrase, Sue? I am waiting.
Yeah, Jake, learning English absolutely changes our lives for traveling and adventure. So, Jake, my next phrase is, travel the world with English. Example, I can travel the world with English. It's so useful.
Travel the world with English? Oh, Sue, I do agree with your phrase. When I went to Cambodia, English helped me order food and talk to locals. I could understand what people said, and yes, everything is simply solved, Sue. And I am thinking of my next phrase is, English makes travel easy. Example, English makes travel easy because many signs are in English.
English makes travel easy. Oh, yeah, exactly. Airports, hotels, menus, all in English. You would be in trouble if you didn't know English well. I am lucky for now that I can read Up English 101. Okay, everyone. Another one is ask for help in English. Example, excuse me, can you help me? You can say this anywhere.
Ask for help in English. That's my favorite phrase when I'm lost. And you know what? English helps me. I can't believe that my English make people around me understand what I meant. That's why I meet many new friends. And that is my next phrase. Meet new friends abroad. Example, I met new friends abroad because I spoke English.
Meet new friends abroad. That's one of the best feelings, connecting through language. And we can learn so much from them, from simple lifestyle to culture. And Jake, I believe that learning will actually help you learn more and grow time by time. And that's my next phrase. English helps you learn new things. Example, I watch English videos to learn new ideas.
English helps you learn new things. Oh, I got that, Sue. English is like a key to knowledge. Books, YouTube, movies. You get access to all platforms using English, so everything is in your hand. Sue, you know what is next? It's English gives you access to the internet. Example, most websites are in English, so learning English helps you use the internet better.
English gives you access to the internet. That really makes sense. Even TikTok and YouTube captions are mostly in English. Just like Up English 101, where you watch the English lesson that has caption for you to easily learn and repeat after the video. Another phrase of mine is, learn English, learn the world. Example, when I learn English, I learn about other countries too.
Learn English, learn the world. Wow, beautiful. Language is culture. You have a great opportunity to discover the world through English, everyone. Now my next phrase is, English helps you think bigger. Example, when I learned English, I started dreaming about studying abroad.
Oh, English helps you think bigger. That's the power of dreaming in English, Jake. When we get to know everything in English, we dare to dream and think bigger than before. Of course, Jake, everyone can do that. Okay, Jake, I guess you want to know my next phrase.
Sue, come on, I am waiting.
Okay, Jake, my next phrase is, I feel proud when I speak English. Example, I feel proud when I speak English with my teacher.
Wow, Sue, I feel proud when I speak English. That's such a great feeling. I remember when I spoke English for the first time and everyone could understand me, I felt over the moon. I felt super excited, Sue. And that's why my next phrase is, practice makes perfect. Example, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect. Oh, I say that to my students all the time. It's the best phrase for all people, especially learners and students. If you want to know something better, you definitely have to practice more often, and you must commit yourself. And something that I always do is, don't be shy, just try. Example, if you make a mistake, it's okay. Don't be shy, just try.
Ah, don't be shy, just try. That makes sense to me. When I was a student, my teacher always said that sentence to me and my classmates all the time, especially when it was a music class. We were all a bit scared of standing in front of people. So my phrase is, English gives you a voice. Example, when I speak English, I can share my ideas with the world.
English gives you a voice. That's beautiful, Jake. English really gives people power. The world will hear your voice more effectively when you can speak English. You share your ideas to the world because you are a part of it. Jake, do you think English really changes your life? When did English first change your life?
Yes, of course, Sue. It does change my life. Like what we mentioned, English helps me get access to the world, internet, technology, culture, and more. I think English changed me probably when I traveled abroad for the first time. I met people from 5 different countries, and we all spoke English together.
Wow, that's amazing!
What about you, Sue?
For me, English changed my life when I got to teach students from other countries. It made me realize English connects hearts.
That's a lovely way to say it.
Let's review some of today's phrases together. English is a global language. English opens doors. English gives you confidence. Travel the world with English. Practice makes perfect.
And my favorites: English connects people. English is a key to success. English makes travel easy. Don't be shy, just try. English gives you a voice.
Those are all amazing reminders for every learner.
Learning English really can change your life, little by little, word by word.
It's not just about grammar or vocabulary, it's about dreams, opportunities, and confidence.
So if you're listening today, remember this phrase: don't give up, keep learning.
Yes, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep growing with Up English 101.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe, share it with your friends, and tell us how English has changed your life.
We'd love to hear your story.
Until next time, at Up English 101. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.